Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A symphony in black. Description of a modern living room design. Modern living takes a dramatic turn with a black tone design. This approach creates a space that's both sophisticated and striking, perfect for those who appreciate bold aesthetics and minimalist functionality. Here's a glimpse into this captivating interior. Color palette power. Black magic. Black takes center stage, enveloping the walls, furniture, and even some decorative elements. This creates a dramatic backdrop for pops of color and contrasting textures. Contrasting accents. Strategic use of white or muted grays breaks up the black and adds a touch of dimension. Consider white ceilings, a large white rug, or light-colored artwork to create visual interest. Pops of color, optional for a touch of vibrancy. Introduce small bursts of color through throw pillows, artwork, or decorative objects. Jewel tones like emerald green or ruby red add a touch of luxury, while pops of mustard yellow or burnt orange inject a dose of energy. Material marbles, high gloss finish, optional. Opt for furniture and cabinetry with a high gloss black finish to create a sleek and reflective look. This adds a touch of glamour and reflects light, making the space feel larger. Matte black magic. Matte black finishes offer a more contemporary and sophisticated feel. This can be used on furniture. Walls painted with flat black paint, or even black brick for a textural twist. Metal accents. Metallic accents like gold, silver, or bronze add a touch of luxury and complement the black beautifully. Consider metallic light fixtures, coffee table bases, or decorative sculptures. Wood warmth, optional while black dominates. A touch of warm wood can add depth and prevent the space from feeling too cold. This could be through wooden coffee table legs, a statement sideboard, or even exposed wood beams on the ceiling. Lighting design drama. Recessed lighting. Recessed lighting provides general illumination without overwhelming the dramatic black backdrop. Statement pendants. A statement pendant lamp above the coffee table or hanging over the dining area, if the living room is open plan, adds a touch of sculptural interest and becomes a focal point. Warm color temperature. Opt for warm color temperature bulbs to create a more inviting ambience. Harsh white light can make the black space feel even colder. Modern lines and functionality. Sleek furniture. Low-profile sofas with clean lines and sharp edges define the modern aesthetic. Consider modular pieces that offer flexibility and functionality. Hidden storage. Built-in shelving or cabinets with black fronts provide ample storage without visually cluttering the space. Minimalist decor. Keep decorations to a minimum. Choose a few statement pieces that complement the black color palette and reflect your personal style. Clean lines rule. Every element, from furniture to artwork, should prioritize clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. The modern living room design in black tones is a bold statement. It's a space that exudes sophistication, drama, and a touch of mystery. By incorporating contrasting textures, pops of color, and strategic lighting, you can create a space that's both visually striking and surprisingly inviting. Reasons to embrace the dark side. Designing a modern living room in black tones. Black isn't just for Gothic novels anymore. A modern living room designed in black tones offers a surprising range of benefits. Bold and sophisticated aesthetic. Black creates a dramatic backdrop that exudes luxury and sophistication. It's a statement choice for those who appreciate a unique and daring aesthetic. Unexpectedly versatile. Black can be surprisingly versatile. By incorporating different textures, materials, and pops of color, you can create a space that feels modern, minimalist, glamorous, or even industrial, depending on your design choices. Hides imperfections. Somewhat black can be a forgiving color when it comes to minor dust or imperfections. This can be a plus for busy households where keeping everything spotless might be a challenge. Highlights other design elements. Black creates a dramatic backdrop that allows other design elements to shine. Artwork, furniture with unique shapes, and colorful accents all stand out beautifully against a black canvas. Creates a sense of intimacy. The darker color scheme can create a sense of intimacy and coziness, perfect for movie nights or relaxing evenings at home. Timeless appeal. black never goes out of style. A well-designed black and white living room can remain modern and chic for years to come. Stepping into the darkness, getting started with a black modern living room, contemplating a black living room? Here are some initial steps to guide you on this bold design journey. 1. Consider the light. Black can make a space feel smaller and darker. Ensure your living room has ample natural light from large windows or skylights. Layered artificial lighting with dimmers is also crucial to create different moods and avoid a cave-like atmosphere. 2. Choose your black carefully. Not all blacks are created equal. Consider a variety of shades, from cool, crisp black to warmer charcoal tones. The right shade can make a big difference in the overall feel of the space. 3. Embrace texture and materials. Black can appear flat without texture. Incorporate a variety of materials like velvet sofas, high-gloss cabinets, matte black walls, or even exposed brick to add depth and visual interest. 4. Pops of color, optional. While black can stand alone, consider adding pops of color for personality and vibrancy. Jewel tones, mustard yellow, or burnt orange can add a touch of luxury or energy, while white or muted grays can provide a touch of balance. 5. Furniture with clean lines. Modern living rooms are all about clean lines and minimalist aesthetics. Choose furniture with sharp edges and simple silhouettes. 6. Storage solutions. Black furniture can visually recede, making a cluttered space feel even more overwhelming. Incorporate hidden storage solutions like built-in cabinets or ottomans with storage compartments. 7. Statement lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in a black living room. Consider recessed lighting for general illumination, statement pendants as focal points, and warm-colored bulbs to create an inviting ambience. 8. Accessorize wisely. Keep decorations to a minimum and choose statement pieces that complement the black color palette. Think sculptures, minimalist artwork, or metallic accents for a touch of glamour. 9. Area rugs. Optional. A large area rug in a light color like white or cream can help ground the space and prevent it from feeling too dark. 10. Balance is key. While black is the star of the show, don't overdo it. Maintain a balance between black and other design elements to create a visually cohesive and inviting space. A modern living room designed in black tones is a daring and sophisticated choice. By embracing texture, incorporating pops of color, and using lighting strategically, you can create a space that's both dramatic and surprisingly inviting. So, unleash your inner darkness and embark on this bold design adventure. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.